we are going to learn a very interesting topic. Comparison. Which one is more, which one is less, and which are equal. So, I have kept few objects here. It is very useful for us to understand also this topic, because this topic will help us in judging. So, and also differentiating between the numbers. Let's do it with objects. I have kept few spoons here. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many spoons do I have? 4. Let us count cups. 1, 2 and 3. 3 cups and 4 spoons. Among these, which one is more? Obviously, you will say the number of spoons is more than number of cups. So, we use this sign. This sign is greater than or less than. I want to tell which among these two is greater. So, among these two is the number of spoons is more. So, my crocodile mouth will open here. Have you seen a crocodile? And his mouth gets open like this. So, my crocodile mouth will open like this. Whichever number is more, towards that, crocodile is a hungry creature. He wants to eat more and more. So, that is why he keeps his mouth open towards the object which is more in number. So, these spoons are more in number. Let us see one more example. I have got these cake bakes and few beads. Now let us count them separately. How many cake bakes are there? These are molds of cakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 molds are there with me. Let us count the beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 beads are there with me. 9 beads and 6 molds. So which one is more? Which of these two things is more? Yes, the beads. So crocodile will eat which what? The beads. The crocodile is going to eat the beads. We can do this with numbers also. So what we do is, I am going to show you a few numbers and let us decide which number is more. There is a rule which I can tell you and it's a hint also. The number that comes after is always the bigger number and the crocodile will eat that number. Let us start doing this. I am going to take out the number. I have got my first number as 6 and my second number is 8. 6, 8. Now, you tell me which number is bigger? Crocodile will eat that number only. So, the number that comes afterwards. Which number comes afterwards? 6 or 8? Yes. Let us see the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6 is coming before 8 and 8 is coming afterwards. So what will happen? The crocodile is going to eat number 8. Hope you have understood this. Let's take one more example. Number 4 and If I take number 6 again, now please tell me which number is bigger, number 4 or number 6? Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is coming first. 5, 6. Now 6 is coming afterwards. So whenever you are finding out the bigger number for comparison, what do? We speak the counting. Once we become perfect, then we don't need to speak the counting. But you have to speak the counting and then let the crocodile eat the bigger number. He will eat all the bigger numbers. Be careful. Dear students, let us focus more and practice more questions on comparison of numbers. Comparison of number means to find the greater and the smaller number in the given numbers. In order to compare the numbers, we have to follow simple rule. And what is the rule? Now let us see the rule. Let's take example. I have two numbers, 6 and 3. Now, if you look at these two numbers, as we have discussed earlier, 6 is the greater number and 3 is the smaller number. Let us take another example. 9 and 10. So, here also 10 is the greater number because it comes after 9 and 9 is the smaller number because it is before 10. Now, every time I am writing this line here, this 9 is the smaller number, 10 is the greater number. So, this is quite time consuming. Now, and I know you people are really smart. So, smart kids need smart way of writing. Now, what it would be? Let us see. You remember with my ice cream sticks, I made this sign and I told you something about this sign. This is greater than, this is smaller than, and this is equal to sign. And this sign looks just like Mr. Crocodile's mouth. And crocodile, what does he do? He wants to eat bigger animals. And here he wants to eat bigger number. So, going back to our numbers, 6 and 3. Now, what I am going to do? Instead of writing the whole line, which is quite boring, I am going to put this crocodile's mouth. Crocodile is going to eat number 6. Why? Because 6 is a bigger number. It's a greater number. Because also when we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you can hear and you also know that 3 comes first and 6 comes afterwards. So what we are going to do to make our work easier, we are going to put this sign. 6 is greater than 3. Now, if I change the position of the numbers, here I have written 6 now and here 3. So, what will happen? Mr. Crocodile is clever. He will turn towards bigger number only. So, Mr. Crocodile is turning towards 6 only, and he is showing his back to number 3, saying, I don't like you. I want to eat only the bigger number. So, he is going to look towards number 6. Whether 6 was this side or that side. Whichever side the bigger number is, that side only the crocodile mouth has to be made. Let's take this example, 10 and 9. So crocodile is again clever fellow. He wants to eat number 10. So he is going to open his mouth towards number 10. Let us practice more questions. So we are going to put sign of greater than, less than and equal to with these numbers. For these numbers. So here is my list. My first two numbers are 4 and 5. So among 4 and 5, we can count and say which one is greater. Let's count. The number which will come afterwards will be the greater number. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 4 has come before. And then the number is 5. So we are going to put greater than sign in front of number 5 and show the back towards number 4. Let's take second numbers. 2 is here and also 2 is this side. So this means that I am going to, they both are same, 2 and 2. So what will I do? I am going to put equal to sign. Which sign I am going to put? Equal to. Now, let us take the third numbers, 8 and 10. So in our counting, which number will come afterwards? That number will be the greater number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is coming before. It is a smaller number and hence 10 will be the greater number. So crocodile's mouth will be towards 10. Let's do the next part. 7 and 3. I know you are very smart kids. Now without counting also you must be able to do this. But I am going to count for you. Let's start. 1, 2, 3. By the way, 3 has come before only. So 3 is before. So obviously 7 will be afterwards and it is the greater number. Let's see 7. Where does 7 comes? After 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it is a greater number. So the crocodile's mouth will be towards 7. It is also called greater than sign. So how do we say this? 7 is greater than 3. Once again, 7 is greater than 3. Oh wow! Now you can tell about these two numbers. 6 and 6. 6 and 6 both are equal. So equal to sign will come. That's nice. Let's go ahead. Next numbers please. Numbers are 3 and 9. I'm sure you know this. So what is the answer? Which one is the greater number? Quickly, let us put the sign towards number 9. So, you have understood the concept so well. You need to practice a lot. Now, what about the last number? I know you know it. What is the last number? 1 and 1. So, 1 and 1 is equal. Shall we have some fun time here also? Okay, let's have some fun time. My question is, find the greatest and the smallest number here. Greatest जो सबसे बड़ा हो इन सब में, smallest जो इन सारे नंबर्स में सबसे छोटा नंबर हो. तो आपको सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा दिख रहा है पहले ये बताइए. सबसे बड़ा नंबर जो कि सबसे बाद में आता हो कौन सा आएगा? चलो काउंटिंग करते हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6, what is 6? Greatest number. Greatest numbers concept is, like you remember, we were using nearer, nearest. So nearer क्या था कि there was a comparison between only two things. Okay, but nearest क्या है? Among more than two things. This is what I explained you also. So what we are going to do? Greatest means जितनी भी options given है उनमें से सबसे बड़ा नंबर. So here 6 is the greatest number. अब बताओ which number came first? सबसे पहले कौन सा आएगा? That is the smallest number. Do you remember? Whenever we are making lines in the school for the school assembly, सबसे आगे कौन खड़ा होता है? सबसे छोटी हाइट वाला बच्चा. The child who is smallest. So यहाँ पे सबसे छोटा बच्चा कौन है? Number 1. So it is the smallest number. ठीक है. और लास्ट में कौन खड़ा होता है? जो सबसे टॉल होता है. So यहाँ पर सबसे tallest, सबसे बड़ा greatest is number 6. So smallest number is number 1. You know, you can just keep on understanding this and have fun. Now, as we have already done ascending and descending order, we are going to practice a few more questions of ascending and descending order and revise this with the help of finding the greatest and the smallest number. Let us try this. Here is a question. Arrange in ascending and descending order. Now you all can see these numbers. The numbers are 6, 3, 1, 5. Now, first of all, let us again see which one is the smallest number. That means the number that comes first in the number line. So starting from 1. So 1 is the smallest number. After that, which number will come? 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1, then 3. 4 and then 5. 5 and then 6. So when we arrange these digits, these numbers in ascending order, we get this answer. 1, 3, 5, 6. You can speak out the numbers and also then say them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. See, they all are coming in a line. Now, it's very easy to arrange the digits in descending order. Look for the greatest number. Here, which is the greatest number? 6. That is the biggest number also. So, 6, 5, 3, 1. 6, 5, 3, 1. 6, 5, 3, 1. So these numbers we are going to arrange like this in descending order. See, again and again we can practice these concepts and these will be clearer to you. You can practice a lot of questions, and then the more you practice, the better you will become in all the concepts. You can again and again play Aparna ma'am's videos and you can understand different concepts. Let's do another question. 2, 10, 6, 4. I'm sure now you know which number will come last. The last number is the greatest number. So ascending order, we are going to take the number that is smaller in the line. Just keep on remembering your class line. We used to stand for our assemblies and all. So ascending order, number 2, then 4, 6 and 10. 2, 4, 6, 10. How? 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6. Then 7, 8, 9 and 10. See, I have arranged them properly. I can just count and cross check whether I have done the question correct or not. Now what about descending order? We are going to look for the greatest number, the largest number, which comes last in the line. So which number is that? Of course, you are able to see it. I am giving you this hint. This is 10. And then 6, 4, 2. Hope this is clear to you. Last one example. Let's take this. So, in the last example, we have only 3 numbers. So, you can get arranging in ascending and descending order starting from 3 numbers, 4 numbers and so on. So, keep on practicing them. Now, ascending order, which is the smallest number? Smallest number is 4. So, we are going to take 4 first, then 8 and then 9. This we know that 8 comes before 9. And when we have to arrange them in descending order, we have 9, 8 and 4. 9, 8 and 4. Hope you have understood this well and revise this with me.